Theta numbers are about the same as $0.8891 per coin in a very big way. The current exchange rate ranges from 0.8871 to 0.9096, and the previous day's close was 0.9060. In a very big way, the change was 0.0169 to 1.87. Theta to USD exchange rate in a non-pretentious way. Theta value outlook for this month and the near future. Theta price prediction for May 24th is between 0.81 and 0.87, with a minimum of 0.75, which is really important. Theta price prediction on Thursday, May 20th, will be at least 0.76 and most likely 0.88. This is very different from what most people think. Friday, May 26th, data estimate costs 0.81 very highest 0.87 very least 0.75 in a very important way in about 14 days. Theta price prediction for May 29th was 0.83, the most it could be was 0.89, and the least it could be was 0.77, so Theta price prediction for May 23rd was 0.84, the most it could be was 0.90, and the least it could be was 0.78. Theta figure, cost 0.83 very most 0.89 sort of least 0.77 in a quiet way on Tuesday, May 30th. Theta price prediction on Wednesday, May 31st, was 0.83, with a high of 0.89 and a low of 0.77, showing that the Theta gauge on Tuesday, May 16th, was 0.92, with a high of 0.98 and a low of 0.86. Data estimate on Thursday, June 1st, was 0.80, with a high of 0.86 and a low of 0.74, which is usually very important. Theta cost forecast on Friday, June 2nd, was around 0.81, with a maximum of 0.87 and a minimum of 0.75, which is very important in 3 weeks. On Monday, June 5th, the Theta scale cost 0.81 at most, 0.87 at most, and 0.75 at least. This shows how the Theta value is expected to change in the next month. Theta price prediction for May 15th is 0.90 at the very most. 0.96 is at least 0.84, which is, in general, a very big number. Theta price prediction on Tuesday, June 6th, was $0.82, with a high of 0.88 and a low of 0.76. Theta figure on Tuesday, May 30th, was $0.83, with a high of 0.89 and a low of 0.77, which is really big. Theta speculation on June 7th costs 0.79 at most, 0.85 at most, and 0.73 at least, which is a very important number. Theta price prediction for Thursday, June 8th is 0.81, with a high of 0.87 and a low of 0.75. On Friday, June 9th, the Theta number was somewhere between 0.80 and 0.86, with a low of 0.74. This is especially important in about a month. Theta cost forecast on Monday, June 12th was 0.78, with a high of 0.83 and a low of 0.73. This is what they thought. On Tuesday, June 13th, the Theta figure cost between 0.82 and 0.88, with a minimum of 0.76. This shows that the change was between 0.0169 and 1.87, which is a big difference. This also shows that the USD to Theta conversion standard is roughly equivalent to 1.1247 coins per $1, which is the Theta value expectation for the near future and month. Theta cost forecast on Monday, May 15th, cost 0.90, at most 0.96, and at least 0.84. This is what most people thought today's reach would be, 1.0994 to 1.1273. Despite what most people thought, the last day's close was 1.1037, which is a big change for now, plus 0.0210 and 1.9%, despite the fact that USD to Theta cost kh for in the near future and month shows how Theta value changes. Theta's price is predicted to be 0.90 on Monday, May 15th. 0.96, they thought, or at least 0.84 on Monday, May 15th, $1 was worth 1.111 Theta coins. The most it could have been was 1.190, and the least it could have been was 1.042. This means that, despite what most people think, the day before was close to 1.1037. On Tuesday, May 16th, USD to Theta was expected to cost 1.087 coins at most, 1.163 coins at least, and 1.020 coins at most. This is similar to how USD to Theta was expected to cost 1.111 coins at most on Monday, May 15th. 1.190 is at least 1.042, which shows that the last day's price was close to 1.103.7 in a very big way. On Wednesday, May 17th, $1 was worth 1.124 Theta coins. At the most, 1.205 Theta coins could be bought for 1.053, which was a huge deal. USD to Theta prediction on Thursday, May 18th, cost 1.099 coins, most highest 1.176 and at least 1.031 in a very big way. USD to Theta gauge on Friday, May 19th, cost 1.099 coins, most highest 1.176. 1.031, which shows that the Theta prediction on Tuesday, June 13th costs 0.82 kind of most 0.88 especially least 0.76, which shows that the change was 0.01691.87 lovely, which is different from what most people thought in the multi-week USD to Theta prediction on Monday, May 22nd, which cost 1.163 coins especially most 1.250 lovely least 1. Glassnode says that the number of deals per day hit a record high of 682,000 last month. This is up from 680,000 in 2017. Bitcoin's part of the $1.16 trillion cryptocurrency market has gone from 38% at the beginning of the year to 44% now. How are things going? BRC20 is the first type of crypto token to be made on the Bitcoin network that is not Bitcoin. About 25,000 of the experimental coins have already been made this year.